Hello, Doggy. Shall we open up this? Shall we? You're gonna cook with me? Yes. Oh, lovely boy. Come on in. Let's open up this oven. One stone.
So why did you buy this oven, Mark?
Because I want to make better pizzas than you.
Oh, that's it. The challenge is on.
Okay. Gel. Gone. And here's my Sporty pizza oven.
Why is it sporty?
Because it looks like a fast car. And it's not boring grey or black.
Oh, like all my ovens?
Yep.
I got a blue one.
Yeah, look at that. That is Sporty. Then I'll just put it on the floor for a minute. We'll take everything else out. So it's a gas oven, so nice and easy.
Anything else left?
Nope. Double check. So one thing, it's well packaged. I think that is it. Yep. So take the box down. Let's get this one up on the back on the table. So have a good look at it. And very well packaged, as you like to see. No scratches, no dents, just a red body. I'm guessing that there's probably some legs underneath, but maybe we have to attach them, I'm not sure.
The instructions are in
Yeah.
there.
Let's have a look. In all the other ones, there's no legs. Oh, yep, there they are, look. So they pop down like that. Oh, that's easy. Yeah. And there you have it.
Ooh, stinky.
Diavolo by Delivita. Yeah.
So why did you choose this oven?
Because it's different. And because we've got loads of ovens from other well-known brands, and I thought we'd try this one. And we remember we did have the wood-fired oven for a little while, which I thought was great. So why not go for something new? And maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll pick the ones that are maybe not so much so well known in the market, and we'll see if they are as good as some of the more familiar brands that you use. So there you are, instructions, cover, hopefully, that's nice. So it appears that compared to some of the other ovens you've had, you get a lot more utensils, I'm not sure, but it's quite nice. I'm not sure, is that must click down, is it? Yeah.
That's a peel. So it comes with a nice perforated metal peel.
Yeah, just
There.
yep. There's that. And yep, so we've got a couple of gas regulators. So a different market, so I'm not sure we'll put that together. And yeah, so when I bought it, we also had a free gas canister. Green's quite nice as well, and a proofing box.
So why is that canister so small? What does this oven do that's so different?
This is designed to be used not just at the home. You can pop it in the back of your car, go out for a picnic, and make a pizza.
Ah, is that why you've got two different leads?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's why. So probably one is for that one, and then the other one is for the
normal gas.
normal
like
gas,
the 12
yeah.
kilogram one I've got at the back.
Yeah. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So let's have a look at this pizza stone. I know it's a very important piece of kit.
Don't drop it.
No, I haven't dropped any. I did once wash one with Fay liquid,
Yeah.
and I was told that was not the thing to do. So what you need to do, and there are videos on this channel about burning the debris off, and that's what you do. You don't use Fay liquid like I did. Yeah. So that pops in. Yeah.
Nice and snug.
Quite nice, yeah. Yeah.
I wonder what size that is. I'll have to get my tape measure out. What does it say in the book?
I reckon it's a 12-inch pizza.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So what's this?
So I'm guessing
That's the cover.
it's a cover.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So it comes with the seal, cover, and the gas tanks for camping.
Oh,
Ooh,
that's a carry case.
that's a nice one.
Pop the legs down and you put it in. So there. So that
And that came
is
with
that.
it for free.
Yeah. So it
Nice.
obviously it's a very portable oven because you can take it in the car, camping with your little gas bottle.
We'll have to test that out to see how the strength of the flame with a little cartridge.
Yeah.
See if that works.
There.
Is there anything else you think we should check? The this. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Hey, bonus! From watching so many videos, this is so important to have your laser gun.
So it comes with a laser thermometer as well.
Yep. So yeah, I think it's part of the deal.
You'll need to get some batteries for that. That's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent.
So that's-
Anything else that we've missed? What's with the manual?
No. There's the yeah.
So what are your plans with this oven? Why have you bought it and you're showing it on this channel for? What are you up to?
May as well join you in making pizza together.
Have you cooked pizza before?
Not really.
Are you going to do your whole pizza journey from start now, from using this oven?
Yep.
I'm sure it'll go very smoothly.
Yeah.
And
Like a plastic coated.
just show it's got like the ignition I think it's a manual ignition on there.
Yeah.
Can't see. We haven't read the instructions yet.
Yeah.
But, just look inside. And just have a second.
Okay, well that's my unboxing of my first ever pizza oven. I'm sure we'll have some fun with it. I'm sure we'll make mistakes with it. And in the next video, you'll probably see me making a pizza. Or maybe burning a pizza. Or maybe doing anything with a pizza, but I'm looking forward to it. So here's to the next video, which should be in a couple of weeks' time.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.